Maya Angelou, a multifaceted artist and activist, was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom February 15, 2011, by President Barack Obama. Her impactful career spanned over 50 years, marked by her powerful poem On the Pulse of Morning, delivered at President Clinton's inauguration. Angelou wrote, acted, and championed civil rights, leaving a lasting legacy. Her acclaimed autobiography, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, solidified her literary prowess. Numerous awards, including Grammys and honorary degrees, recognized her achievements. She later became a lifetime professor at Wake Forest University and was a devoted member of her church for over 30 years. Born Marguerite Annie Johnson in April 4, 1928, she left an indelible mark on the world. She died on May 28, 2014, at age 86.